Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install. Now this unit was sent to me by LuvMe Hair. They were kind enough to send me their 20-inch chestnut brown body wave 5x5 closure, and this is what our girl is looking like. Now just putting the unit on my head, clipping the hair up because we're gonna go ahead and cut our lace. Now I did go ahead off camera and plucked my part just a little bit. I do not like those skinny ass parts. It is not for me. I love my parts to look a bit open, and being that we're not gonna do any baby hairs on this unit, I just feel like it's gonna help it look a bit more natural. So yes, cutting that off. And now we're gonna go in with my Eben Wonder Lace Spray in Supreme. And honestly, I'm just spraying one layer of this because, like I mentioned, it's a closure wig. 9 times out of 10, I don't tend to keep these wigs on too long, so one layer would be good enough for me. Placing that on the lace spray, and now I'm just gonna go in with my rat tail comb and press that into the spray, like so. And that is just to ensure that the lace is going to melt flawlessly because yeah, I'm not tying that lace down. Now styling this unit today, I decided to go ahead and do some straight hair. I wanted to see how well the body wave was gonna press out. And I don't know if you guys can see that little strand in the back, but without any product, let me just show you. Girl, instantly straight. You need 1 or 2 passes, if that, and that pass that I'm about to go over is because I missed that part. But seriously, no product, look how straight that is. And that's a body wave texture. So the fact that we're able to get her straight like that quick, we are loving that. She still has body, she has shine. Look at it, that freaking silky. Yeah, we're gonna continue doing that. Now while I straighten the other side of my hair, I'm just gonna get into the pros of this unit real quick. Like I mentioned, this unit is a closure wig, so the convenience for all my beginner friendly girls, this will be perfect for you. I love the fact that she is chocolate brown. I'm usually a natural 1B kind of girl, but let me tell you something, chocolate on chocolate is gonna do it every time. Obviously, the unit is a body wave texture, and the fact that we can go from body wave to silky straight with no product, that is a plus for me. As far as cons when it comes to this unit, the only cons I usually have in my wigs is if they were tangling or shedding. I just installed this unit. Obviously, I'm taking it from body wave to silky straight. Baby, tangles where? I have not experienced any shedding, and that's not to say that shedding might not come over time with any unit, synthetic or human hair. That's bound to happen. But as of right now, girl, you are good to go. So we have the convenience of it being a closure wig. It is very much so easy to install. You probably even have the option of going glueless, but I just didn't do that today. The unit is body wave, but as you guys can see, she most definitely can be straightened, and she is gorgeous. Still has body, still has shine. Again, let me just say, with absolutely no product, your girl is not tangling, she is not shedding, and the color, that chocolate on my chocolate skin, oh baby, it's doing it. But yeah, right now you guys just see me straightening my hair, and I think I'm gonna experiment today, you know what I'm saying? I kind of had the idea, well, let me not say I kind of had the idea. I seen this video on TikTok of this girl cutting layers in her hair, and I was like, ooh, I wanna try that. It was me really trying it on this unit. Unfortunately though, when I was cutting the hair, girl, I was kind of out of frame. So you might not be able to see exactly what I do, but you'll kind of get the gist of it when you see it. But yes, right now I am just straightening the hair, and yeah. When I get to cutting it, girl, we're gonna talk some more. So this is what the unit is looking like, all straightened, and like I said, silky, and no product, super straight from body wave. Oh yeah, wig is lit. So I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, and now this is how I seen the girl cut layers, right? So you're gonna take sections of your hair. You can either rubber band or clip them off. I'm just using these little clips that I have, and wherever you place that clip is where you're gonna cut. And you want to do it in different sections, so I guess it's almost like a stair. So I had about 3 clips, one up top, one in the middle, and one a little bit more below. It's kind of hard to explain and you guys can't see, but I hope you get the gist of what I'm saying. And once you cut it in those sections, you should kind of already have layers. You guys could kind of see it a little bit. But now I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, and hopefully you can get an idea of what I'm saying. But the unit turned out absolutely beautiful. I loved how easy she was to install. I love this chocolate unit on my chocolate skin. I just feel like it complements me so well. Like I mentioned, as far as cons, there is no shedding, girl, there's no tangling, and none of that, okay? But shout outs to LuvMe Hair for sending us this beautiful unit. It was most definitely appreciated. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl is posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.